We come back now to the idea of superposition, the principle of superposition, which again just says when two waves occupy the same point in space at the same time, then the result effect, or the net effect on that point in space, is that, well, both of the waves are considered, and we just take the algebraic sum of the two to figure out where our medium or what our situation for that point is going to be. So for example, if we had, say, a wave, make it kind of a square-shaped wave like this, in blue that's moving in this direction, and we have another wave that's kind of the same square-shaped wave, and I want to make those the same size just so you can see this point. There we go, and we'll say it's moving in this direction. At some point later in time, those two will occupy some spot in the middle, and we're going to see something that looks like this. We have the algebraic sum of those two. And afterward, they pass right on through each other, and we get our original waves, except on the opposite side from where they started, but still moving in the same direction. Something like this. So blue was originally on the left side, moving to the right. Now it's passed through the red one. It's now on the right side, but still moving to the right. And for just that one moment when they occupied the same space at the same time, what we saw was the algebraic sum of those two. So if we had these two waves that each had an amplitude, say, of 10 centimeters, then for just this one moment we would have an amplitude of 20 centimeters. And then back to having two separate waves. Now the same is true if we have continuous waves being generated, that the amplitude of those waves when they add together constructively, the amplitude of the constructed wave is just going to be equal to the sum of the amplitudes of the two waves that make it up. As long as we have total exact constructive interference. And not shifted off to one side or the other. In that case, the amplitude is going to vary as we shift from high points to low points between the two waves.